two major legal service platforms, one big question, which one really delivers? On the left, Rocket Lawyer, legal help at your fingertips all year round. And on the right, LegalZoom, your big-name legal companion for life's milestones. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into the facts that actually matter. Each category scores points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Alright, let me lay out how we're actually comparing these two. Here's our mind map: pricing and flexibility, ease of use and turnaround, ongoing legal access, service breadth, and customer experience. So grab a mental notebook because we're about to break it down category by category. First up, pricing and flexibility. Let's start with Rocket Lawyer. If you want, like, unlimited legal documents and you always have questions popping up, their monthly subscription is honestly such a power move. You get business membership perks like free LLC formation, which, I mean, how nice is that? The catch? If you don't want a subscription, their one-off fees get a little steep. Now, LegalZoom's more a la carte. You pay per service, no commitment. Easy for one-and-done stuff, right? But real talk, all those add-ons can add up real fast. Plus, a bunch of essentials actually cost extra, so yeah, it's not always as cheap as you think. For this round, Rocket Lawyer just feels more flexible, especially for ongoing needs, so it edges out as the winner. Now let's get into ease of use and turnaround. Rocket Lawyer kinda kills it when it comes to speed. Like, you get LLC formation finished in about 2 business days. Their online dashboard is super smooth for jugglers who have got a bunch of docs. It can look a little overwhelming for someone new though, not gonna lie. LegalZoom, bless their hearts, they guide you through step by step. In other words, if paperwork gives you hives, this helps. Plus, the interface is made for those one-off milestone things. Downside, their LLC processing is slower, sometimes painfully so. So Rocket Lawyer is definitely faster here, plus that nice dashboard, so it takes this category too. Alright, next category, ongoing legal access. Rocket Lawyer is basically your legal BFF if you get the subscription. Unlimited attorney questions, document reviews included, and even discounted lawyer representation. Like, that's pretty sweet, but listen, it won't actually represent you in court. You gotta look elsewhere if things get heated. LegalZoom, you can *tap into a network of attorneys, but be ready for that extra fee. They cover plenty of services, personal, business, all kinds, but yeah, if you want a consultation, it never comes with your basic formation package. Rocket Lawyer's subscription model just gives so much more regular access, so it pulls ahead again. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you even realize LegalZoom's helped over 4 million businesses start up, but Rocket Lawyer, they've got over 25 million users worldwide. Kinda wild to picture how many folks are reaching for online legal help. Let's talk service breadth, and this is where things get kinda interesting. Rocket Lawyer gives you a ton of document support, but it's super focused on ongoing business and documents. LegalZoom, on the other hand, is a bit of a heavy hitter. They offer more unique stuff like wills, trusts, trademarks, things you might not have thought about. So if you need help with major life stuff or business milestones, LegalZoom's got you. Sure, legal advice is always extra, but the sheer range of options here means LegalZoom snags this one. And finally, customer experience. Rocket Lawyer actually gets great reviews lately, you know? If you call them, you get top-tier support. Their dashboard makes it easy if you're coming back again and again, but hey, you do kinda need a subscription to really rake in the value. With LegalZoom, you've got this big-name reputation and first-timers feel safe navigating through everything. They're the OG, honestly, but hold up, reports of slow support responses sometimes. Oof. Rocket Lawyer is really nailing this category, so they win here. Now, if we map this all out, you can literally see how each platform stacks up across the board. Rocket Lawyer leads with recurring value and fast service, while LegalZoom flexes in the wide range of legal offerings. It's not a total landslide, but you can definitely see some strength standing out. So here's my take for 2025. Rocket Lawyer is perfect if you want to set and forget your legal access, documents, unlimited attorney questions, steady support, all in a bundle. LegalZoom, though, is your go-to when you've hit a big life milestone, want the credibility of a huge brand, or really need something specific like a trademark or a will. All depends on how you like your legal help. Subscription with Rocket Lawyer, or pay as you go with LegalZoom. Need the right legal tool for your situation? Whether you want subscription ease with Rocket Lawyer or the broad, name-brand reliability with LegalZoom, you've got options. So go ahead, pick the one that actually works for whatever legal mission you're on next.